You want to go to the official website, the Blackmagic Design website for the DaVinci Resolve Studio license. If you already own the DaVinci Resolve license, you can go to free download on this page, and instead of choosing DaVinci Resolve 21, choose DaVinci Resolve Studio 21. And for the Mac here is going to be macOS. And all this information here is not really needed. You can simply press download only. I already did the registration, and now it's going to download, so I want to allow to download it. The DaVinci Resolve Studio 21.01 Mac DMG file is downloaded. Press open and it's going to start install DaVinci Resolve. Okay, I have to install this. Okay, so I will use the password all software. Continue. I have to agree the license terms. It will take 14 gig of space on the computer. Okay, again password. Okay, the installation was successful. Now I can close the installer. I can move it to trash. I don't need the installer anymore. Now I have the DaVinci Resolve app where I see more information about DaVinci Resolve 21. Okay, let's do a quick setup. So operating system, graphics card, it's all good. This is the MacBook Air M5 and I want to edit Ultra HD, and this path is okay for me, it doesn't really matter. The keyboard layout, I prefer to keep DaVinci Resolve as it is, and I'm all set. And this is the part where you have to activate DaVinci Resolve to become DaVinci Resolve Studio. That's why you had to download this from the Blackmagic Design website. So I'll type the license key and then press activate. Activate. So one activation left, I can activate it again on the computer. Press continue. You have two activations with one license key. I got it from the speed editor. That's it. The Resolve is ready to use. Color settings, everything is right there. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you.